This video is brought to you by AI Hub. What is data science? And what does it take to become a data scientist? In today's world, data is everywhere, from social media to business transactions, from scientific research to healthcare. We are constantly generating and collecting vast amounts of data. But what good is all this data if we can't make sense of it? That's where data science comes in. The ability to collect, store, process, and analyze large amounts of data has led to the emergence of a new field of study, known as data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines a wide range of disciplines, including statistics, mathematics, computer science, and domain-specific knowledge, to extract insights and knowledge from data. In simple terms, data science is the process of using data to answer questions or solve problems. Data science is the umbrella term that covers three main areas: statistics, machine learning, and analytics. Statistics, where we make few decisions under uncertainty. Machine learning, where we make and automate many decisions under uncertainty. Analytics, through which we understand, learn more, and explore data patterns. Data scientists work with data at all stages of its life cycle, from collection and storage to cleaning and pre-processing, to exploratory data analysis and modeling. The applications of data science are vast and diverse. It is used in industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and marketing, to make better decisions, optimize processing, and improve customer experiences. Data science is the key to unlocking the insights hidden in all of that data. With the right tools and techniques, we can turn data into knowledge and make better decisions for the future. As data continues to grow in size and complexity, the need for data scientists will only continue to increase. So, what does it take to become a data scientist? Well, it requires a combination of technical skills, such as programming, statistics, and machine learning, as well as domain-specific knowledge and good communication skills. But don't worry, there are many resources available to help you learn data science, such as online courses, tutorials, and boot camps. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about data science, there has never been a better time to learn this exciting field. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this introduction to data science. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that we'll be providing a list of recommended online resources and books in the description box below that can be incredibly valuable in your quest to become a skilled data scientist. Remember, becoming a data scientist is a continuous journey of learning and practice. Along with these resources, consider working on real-world projects, participating in data science competitions, and joining data science communities to enhance your skills and gain practical experience. Best of luck on your data science journey. AI Hub. Creating tomorrow's AI today.